Good morning. I'm Abhishek Basu. I'm here at the Park Hotel, New Delhi at the organic Indian restaurant called Fire. We're showing you a very simple dish, but which comes with a lot of history behind it. It's a dish which the Parsis, the Persians introduced all over the world, and in India it is called as Jardaloo Salli Boti. Let's break it up. Jardaloo is your apricot, Salli is your potatoes, and Boti is your mutton. A simple dish containing apricot, mutton and potatoes. So here you go. What do you need for it? Nice juicy succulent pieces of mutton, apricots. You can either use the imported ones or you can use the Indian ones. You need a little bit of malt vinegar, abundance of spices, onions and tomatoes of course. And we'll show you the most simplest way of making your Jardaloo Salli Boti into an absolute hit all over your country. Thank you so much.